Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn what do you mean by composite key in SQL. Sometimes for a table, having a single column as a primary key is not sufficient to identify unique row of a table. In such a case, instead of having just a primary key, we will have composite primary key for that table. That is a combination of more than one attributes. We can define composite key as a composite key is a combination of more than one attributes of a table which is used to uniquely identify each row in a table. Let us consider the syntax of creating composite key for a table. So create table, table name, column 1, column 2, column 3. These are the fields with different attributes of the table. And then let's consider that column 1 plus column 2, it is composite primary key for that table. So how can we declare it as that? At last we can declare primary key in bracket column 1 comma column 2. We can have different data types of individual attributes of composite primary key. That is column 1, for example, here is an integer data type, whereas column 2 it is of varchar. So this table will have composite primary key as column 1 comma column 2. Let's consider with example as a composite primary key. So consider the table as train with the attributes train ID integer, reservation date with data type date, bogie number integer and number of reservations integer. Sometimes it is needed to find how many reservations are there bogie wise for the train on the specified date. So to solve these types of queries, we will have to declare the primary key as composite primary key because train ID is not sufficient to be a primary key. Why? Because train ID, this field is repeated for multiple rows because the same train is scheduled every day from the given source to the destination. Again, reservation date can be repeated, bogie number can be repeated, but if we have a combination of some of the fields of that table, then that can become a primary key, which is nothing but composite primary key. So what will be the composite primary key of that table? Here it is. It is the combination of three fields train ID, comma reservation date, comma bogie number. Individual fields can be repeated, that is train ID can be repeated, reservation date can be repeated because we may have multiple reservations for the same date of the same train and also for the same bogie number, but that combination will not be repeated. For example, train ID 1, reservation date, some reservation date we can have and the bogie number as 1. So this combination will become the composite primary key. In next video, we will see the practical example of composite key declaration and how to insert data in Postgres. Thank you.